for Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find tips and tricks for food and beauty the easy, breezy way. Today I have a one-pan pasta dish for you. Here are my ingredients. We have pepper, carrots, minced chicken, spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, and of course, kale as our garnish. Alrighty people, I am using spaghetti as my choice of pasta. You can use any pasta that you love. You start by laying your pasta, then followed by any of the ingredients. It doesn't really have a sequence or a particular order. I added my peppers, tomatoes which have been grounded. You can ground, blend, or pound. Whatever rocks your boat, people. We're here just to observe. Really? No, we're here to watch me and probably find one or two tricks that you probably didn't know. Alrighty, do not forget to add your oil, a pinch of salt or to your taste. I am using cloves here because we don't want to mess around with peppers. No. Alright. Now, one pan dishes are very easy to make. You just throw in everything in your pan. You can either do this in the oven or in a non-stick pan over your gas or whatever, but be careful to use low heat. Now, I love to use dry herbs because the flavors that come out of this, oh my god. But mind you, with dry herbs you do not want to use too much. And of course, you add hot water. Can you see the level at which the water is just covering everything? It is not flooding it. Do not forget also to add your seasoning. Any seasoning of your choice is fine, my people. Now, the reason why I like to you notice that my minced chicken wasn't plain. I like my protein flavored. Now I'm adding carrots. These carrots were in the freezer. I like to preserve vegetables that way. But mind you, when you want to use vegetables in your food, bring it out and add to the food immediately. Do not bring it out and keep it out before adding. If you bring it out and keep it out, I hope I'm making sense, then it will become soggy and it won't taste nice. Look at this beauty. Yes, this should take you about 20 minutes, of which you can relax and wait for the food. Remember our kale? I love kale because it is healthy. It is packed full with vitamin K, vitamin A, good source of calcium. Very lovely vegetable. Well, while I am here raving about almighty kale, you are going to be mixing up everything at this point. Oh my god, guys, I wish you had a taste of this. But of course, you will be making yours and you'll give me a feedback about how it turned out. Now, you want to nicely do this so that it is not soggy. Moreover, you don't have too much water, so we have eliminated any form of sogginess. You can totally use any protein of your choice, guys. I love chicken. I chose to do chicken today. You can use beef. You can use fish. Now, I do not like onions in my food from the beginning of cooking. I like it fresh and packed with its flavor. So I fried my onions and added it at this point. And more kale, of course, guys. I hope you've been enjoying this so far, and you will give your girl a thumbs up. You will remember to share. You will probably